Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Islam campus. Today our today's topic is why animal help each other to speak. The name is Ashley Ward. Ashley Ward talk explained that cooperation in the animal world is not just about kindness but about survival and success. Animal help each other because working together can with increase their chances of finding food, avoiding predators, and raising offspring. Some species cooperate with relatives to pass on shared genes, while others help unreaded animal when there is a chance the favor will return later. Ward highlight that these social behavior are shaped by evolution, showing that teamwork can be just as important as cooperation in nature. So, viewer, this was the review. I hope you like it. See you in another review. Till then, Allah Hafiz.